Welcome to the Nordic Campers YouTube channel. Today we'll be headed towards an empty island. We're gonna try out some fishing and we're gonna fish in the open waters. I have my girlfriend Amanda and my newborn son Mikael with me today. Hopefully we'll catch some fish. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video.
Welcome to the Nordic
Say. So we're just arriving at the cottage and today we're gonna hit the lake. So the goal is to go fishing with that boat today and it's gonna be the first time that Masa is gonna be fishing.
He's so happy about it.
During the winter time I was fixing this Evinrude outboard and it was in pretty good condition. It only took me a little carb cleaning to get it running, so let's hope it still runs after winter. Now I have the outboard set up. So next I'm gonna sort out my fishing gear and after that we're gonna be headed towards the lake. Yes. I couldn't find any real rows, but we'll take these just in case. I've heard that that place is pretty good. So the outboard's been working for so long at least. So maybe I fixed it. Kalle does it again. Alright, I'll go explore the island. See you in a bit. Well, it looks like a bird has been murdered here. Is this a murder scene? There's another fireplace here. I'm not sure about the spot, but I'll try casting a couple of lures here. Yeah, a small toilet here. I'm starting to think that maybe fishing in the open water would be better than fishing from the shores of the island. It seems to be rocky and not that many good cover spots for the fish to hide in. So my best guess would be that it's still pretty chilly outside, and because the water is still pretty cold, they're gonna be somewhere deeper hiding. So yeah, maybe it's better to go back in the open waters and try from there. Yes. He seems so happy. Oh, now he's waking up.
No.
Let's get back to the boat, quick. Oh. Not either.
Welcome to the Nordic Camp.
Say it again.
Welcome to the Nordic Campers.
Kolla du. So that was our little fishing trip. My fishing technique was off again. No bites, no catches. But if I try hard enough, eventually I'll succeed. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and see you guys in the next video.